Kính chào quý anh chị em thân mến. Hôm nay chúng ta sẽ trở lại học về phần Inequality, phần thứ tư. Chúng ta đã đi qua 3 phần. Thì bữa nay chúng ta học phần thứ tư qua một cái loại inequality dạng khác, tức là it will include two variables x and y. Okay, so let's see the problem right here. Give the equation x squared minus y squared equal 4. Describe what inequalities hold in the region of the plane with this curve separates. Okay, so this case it have two variables, so it must be a plane. Okay, in the last 3 video we just deal with one variable, so we have a straight line. Okay, so now we have two variables, x and y, so it's become the plane now. So first of all, so we have to graph this equation, and then we will see how many regions they have. We need to see the graph will divide the plane into how many parts. Okay, so in order to graph this, I guess the easy way, just using pre-calculus. This form right here, it looks very familiar with us in pre-calculus. Okay, so let us review. X squared minus y squared equal 4. Okay, that's its hyperpolar equation. Okay, so what is hyperpolar? Hyperpolar is the set of all points B in the plane such that the difference between the distance from that P points to fixed points is given constant. Okay, so that means all the point belong to the graph. If you take 2 points, and if you subtract it, then it always equal a constant number. And it's the fixed point is a focus. It's called focus. Okay, plural is foci. Okay. P. Okay, P. Let's define P is the PB, a point on the hyperbola, and the foci we call it F1 and F2. Then PF1 and PF2 are called focal radius. Okay, the foci can either lie on x-axis or y-axis. In this case right here, so we have the first case, foci lie on x-axis. So this hyperbola will have this with this form: x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equal 1. Okay, and the foci will lie on x-axis. It's right here. Focus right here. Focus. They have two foci point. C will be calculated by using this formula: b squared equals c squared minus a squared. So c squared will be equal plus a squared plus b squared. Okay, and then from c squared equal a squared plus b squared, then you can calculate c equal plus or minus a squared plus b squared. So that's why you got 2 points, one is plus sign, one negative sign. So this right here, so this since it lie on x-axis, so it will have coordinate minus c 0, and this on the right hand side, the right focus, the coordinate is c 0. Okay, and also it have the asymptote y equal minus b over a over x. Okay, it's this way, and then y equal b over a x. Okay, and then this asymptote this way. The asymptote, that means meaning like the graph will go along to that asymptote like this case right here, but never touches. Okay, so if you draw this through the focus, then this one, then this line keep going. Okay, and this line keep going, but it's never touched. And also there is another branch on the right hand side of the asymptote. Okay, and then just keep going. Okay, so now we already study. We just study if the focus line on x-axis. Okay, so the focus right here. Then the graph will be vertical. So we have the graph is this way. But the other case is if the focus lie on y-axis, then the form of hyperpolar equation will equal y square equal over a square minus x square over b square equal 1. And still use same the formula, b square equals c square minus a square. But the equation of the asymptote, these two lines right here, will be y equal a over b x and y equal minus a over b x. Okay, so a over b. If a over b equal it's like if the focus lie on y-axis, and b over a if the focus lie on x-axis. Okay, in this case, in this case right here, the focus will be okay. The asymptote will be here. Y equal a over b times x, and the negative asymptote will be y equal minus a over b over x. Okay, and then the focus will lie on the y-axis. Okay, and then you can draw the point will this point, the graph will go along to go pass through the focus point. So you get this and go, and the graph go along the asymptote but never touches. So it's the same thing with this branch. So you have two branch. Okay, so this graph is called horizontal parabola. Okay, so now we go back to our problem. Okay, so we have they asking how many region this graph have, and which region is greater than equal 4, and which region greater than 4, and which region less than 4. So we see here it's look familiar, right? There's the different way to graph this, but I think if you use free calculus, use this form, it's the most easy way. So x square minus y square equal 4. So in order to go back to the form x square over a square minus y square equal b square minus y square over b square equal 1. Then since you have 4 here, then you have to divide by 4, both sides by 4. Then you have x square over 4 minus y square over 4 equal 1. So this is the form of x square over a square minus y square over b square equal 1. Okay, where a square equal 4 and b square equal 4. And since x square in front, so the vertical, this is called vertical parabola. And the focus will be on x-axis, right? So it will go this way. Okay, and a square equal 4, so a equal 2 if you take square root, and b square equal 4, so b equal 2 also. So a and b equal. And now we need to find the vertical vertex. Vertex will be equal c square equal a square plus b square. So a square is 4 and b square 4. 4 love 4 is a, and then you take square root of c will be equal plus or minus, let's see, plus minus here, I think I missed. So square root of a is 2 square root of 2, so plus or minus 2 square root of 2. The asymptote will be y equal b over a times x. B in this case will be 2, a also 2, so 2 divided by 2 times x, so equal x, so y equal x. And the other asymptote will be y equal minus b over a times x. So b also 2 and a also 2, so it cancels, it will be equal minus x. So we found the asymptote. So now we're ready to graph it. Okay. Okay, so here we graph it. Okay, so look at the graph. Since the focus lie on the x-axis, so we have the focus will be c square will be a square plus b square, and then a square equal 4 plus 4 a, so c square equal 8. So you take square root, you get 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Okay, so one point, the right hand side, the right point will be 2 square root of 2 and 0, since it lie on x-axis. So this point will have the coordinate of 2 square root of 2, 0, and the other symmetric point is minus 2 square root of 2, 0. Okay, this is these are two foci or focus of the hyperbola. So we're pretty sure it's that the graph will be go along this, right? Okay, and then we need to graph the asymptote. The asymptote one of this y equal x, so it go right into the middle from the this one first quarter, second quarter in this coordinate. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. From the third quarter, go through the first quarter. Okay, so it goes right here, and the other y equal minus x, you go this way. Okay, and then the distance, the vertex, we know it. The distance from here to here will be equal. From here to here will be equal to a. So a equal 2. 2 times 2 equal 4, right? So from here to here equal 4. But this point right here, the original, the middle center of two vertices will be half of distance. So will be 2. Okay, from here to here 2, from here to here 2. Okay, so this point will be, we'll have the coordinate minus 2, comma 0 with y equal 0, and this one 2, comma 0. Okay, so when you graph hyperbola, then you need to find the focus, this point right here, and you need to see it lie. The hyperbola will lie. The focus will lie on. Will lie on the x-axis, will lie on y-axis. Yeah. Okay, so by look at the form of the equation, if the form with x square over a minus b square minus y square over b square equal 1, so then let's go this way. The focus will be lying on x-axis, and if instead of x square, it become y square over a square minus b square minus x square over a over b equal 1. So the asymptote will be go this way. Okay, the graph will be go this way. Okay, so now we finish this, right? So we finish the graph of x square minus 4 minus y square equal 4. So now, okay, you see the graph right here on the fifth part. So how many regions they divide the plan? Okay, so first one, this area right here, it's called R1. Okay, region 1, and the area, the next area will be like we name it let's see how I name it right here. R1 is the middle region, R2 is the right hand side region, and R3 is this region. So we need to test x square minus 4 square, which one is equal 4, I mean greater than 4, and which one is less than 4. So in 3 different regions, you just need to pick any point, to test that point with the condition, the given condition of the homework of the problem, okay, or the problem. Okay, so we pick 3 points. Okay, let's say let's say pick simple point A with 4 0. Okay, so let's go back. A 4 0, B 0 0, and C minus 4 0. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, if I pick point here, since this one minus 2 square root 2, square root 2 with 1.4, so this one almost 3, minus 3, almost 3. So let's pick the point inside here. It's minus 4, and then it's also lie on x-axis, minus 4 and 0. That's the first point. Okay, with minus 4 and 0, so we can easily to calculate. And then the point of region 2, the middle part here, let's pick the origin. It should be easy one, so 0 0. And then we can pick similar this point here, like x equal 4 and y equal 0. It's lie on the x-axis, and we put back to a conditional a problem to test the side of the problem. Okay, so we need to put it back and test 3 points. Okay, so the first point, A x equal 4, y equal 0. Then we substitute into here, x square minus y square, to see it greater than 4 or less than 4. Okay, when x equal 4, y equal 0, then you have 4 square minus 0 square. 4 square is 16 greater than 4. Then we know that region R2 will be greater than 4. And if we substitute point B into x square minus y square, point B is 0 0. So 0 square minus 0 square equals 0, 0 less than 4. So we know that region x square minus y square will be less than 4. So that means that region will be, we call it R1, the big R, capital R1 less than 1, less than 4. And then the last region, if you substitute minus 4, 0, that region on the left hand side, then into equation x square minus y square, then you have minus 4 square minus 0 square. Minus 4 square is 16 minus 0 is 16. So 16 greater than 4. So R3 greater than 4. So by graphing that hyperbola x square minus y square equal 4, we see that this hyperbola will divide the plane into 3 parts, 3 regions. The first region, R1, is the inside of the hyperbola, will be less than 4, and the other, the left hand side and the right hand side, both regions will be greater than 4. Okay, so that's we can that we already so we can already show that inequality x square minus y square. Okay, so if we replace R2 here by x square minus y square, then you have x square minus y square greater than 4, and x square minus y square less than 4, and then x square minus y square right and 4. So there are two regions, right and 4, left and right, and the middle region is less than 4. Okay, so I will stop the I will stop the lesson today, and we will continue the last part of chapter 1, inequality. Okay, so this particular example or problem is on about two variable, and it's very in exam you probably have one of this in your exam. Okay, with two variable, either hyperbola or ellipse or parabola, using the formula x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equal 1. Okay, or even circle. Okay, all right, thank you, and see you next time, next video. Goodbye.